My name is Agnes Mbabazi and I'm the CEO of Agrifarm Uganda, an agricultural enterprise that does agricultural projects. We partnered with DRDIP, a project that is managed and implemented by the Prime Minister's office. And in this project, we are implementing partners. We are operating in 5 districts of Uganda that are hosting refugees. And these include Chiriandongo, Lamo, Ajumani, Obongi, and Moyo. And in these districts, we have different activities and enterprises that we are doing based on the community requirements.
Under DRDIP, we are implementing Senam component, which is majorly under environment, where we are setting up micro dams. We have done irrigation systems, we've done nursery beds, we've planted trees, amongst others.
Agrifarm's role is, in our district, Chiriandongo, one is to do environmental restoration. They have supported farmers in planting trees. They have also supported in nursery bed establishments. There are a number of irrigation schemes that have established in the district just to mitigate the issue of climatic change.
The major aim is to also improve on the production and productivity of the communities, of the refugee hosting communities, ensure that there is all-round food production and also increase on the household incomes.
So they help the community on technical aspects of the project, training them and guiding them. They have also developed manuals to support the management of the various projects that they were contracted to implement.
Baita sawa zinu, kalima nyanya, twalima obutunguru, twalima kabeji, twalima nebamya, baina mulingo batuyambire ho abo kwa ebintu bindi tubaita kumanya kubirima.
Katuwa nebyokozesa batuwa buli kimu, batuwa irrigation, ni batuwa tanka za mazi 5, ni batuwa ne dam.
Agrifarm has helped us to come up with the most successful project of institutional greening in the whole district actually.
Agrifarm that are working with us on the ground are very committed staff who have been able to work with the district implementation support team. They were able to consult where necessary, and the engagement at the community level has been a good one.
Agrifarm has brought in a wealth of experience and technologies. We have the carbonizer for efficient production of charcoal. There is agroforestry practices including fodder crop that have been established. We have the fish pond, solar dryers, rabbit farming, black soldier fly, providing feedstock for fish and poultry.
Because majority of the thing that we see that when there's a dry season, we don't have anything to do. But with this one here, we have a purposes of doing things at the dry season.
And as we talk now, they can now continue with the project since they have gained enough knowledge.
We thank Agrifarm. I know how to keep rabbits and I know how to plant some other items like keeping mushrooms and plant watermelons.
We have trained the community members in all of these specific skills, and at least we are certain that even though we leave the district, the community leaders of this particular group, they can work along with the district to continue implementing and sustainability of the project.
Before Agrifarm came, we never even knew about this kind of activities, but our beneficiaries, they are now well versed. They know the benefit. They were taught about the benefits of the trees. Besides that, they also got some training under ESMP about how to socialize with people.
They taught us what to do. Whenever they leave, we know what to do as a group independently. We have vegetables, 1 okra, 2 onions, 3 eggplants, and tomatoes as well. In the tree bed, we have eucalyptus, we have ticks, we have the palm, and so many others.
And besides that, they also got some protective equipment supplied by Agrifarm. They got the gumboot, the reflectors.
Since they are still with us, we are very proud that they are going to also do things which are not going on well.
Agrifarm has done tremendous work. They started by building capacities of our project beneficiaries that have been allocated under their supervision. They provided them agronomic trainings and practices and skills that are related to management and handling irrigation scheme.
As Agrifarm, we are able to do a lot for this particular community. We have established so many things here. As you can see, we have a greenhouse which is permanent, and they are using it. Part of it is for a store, and they have an office next to it also. And for this particular village, we are able to establish a borehole, of which is benefiting more than 500 people in this community.
Nyanya, bili nyanya, ana wati pori kanyo peri kan.
Agrifarm has done for us this, as you can see. Earlier on we had a problem with the water source, as I've said earlier, and right now we are somehow happy to have a water source which was under this project.
When they came, they sensitized us on how to put the nursery seed here, and even on how to plant it, and even on how to separate the seeds. Yes.
Some of the communities where we've planted trees, they've been able to get money through the labor component. Those who have sold seedlings, they've gotten money, the tree seedlings. And for those who have grown vegetables, they've been able to sell and get some money. And that is getting to the aim of the objective of the project, which is to eliminate poverty from the people.
So we'd like to thank the Prime Minister's Office for giving us the opportunity to be implementing partners with such a prestigious and nice project. World Bank has done a very, very serious impact in the communities. And from my own experience, I can tell you that these projects have been so impactful. And people are so happy with World Bank, people are so happy with OPM because they did not have water, they did not have food, they did not have firewood, they didn't have anything, especially in the refugee communities and settlements. And right now, this project has brought all these things closer to them. So I want to thank OPM for choosing Agrifarm as a partner, and we hope to do many more other projects with them.